Safety in hazardous areas such as oil refineries and gas plants can be compromised when diesel engines are used near any potential leaks of flammable gases or explosive vapors. A diesel engine usually draws in clean air. However, if any flammable vapors get mixed into this air, the diesel engine will start to consume this secondary source of energy. This causes an uncontrolled engine runaway, which may lead to catastrophic engine failure or a flashback to ignite the surrounding gas cloud. This problem was first recognized about 40 years ago, following some accidents within refineries in the United Kingdom. The design of the original automatic overspeed shutdown valve came about from a demand from the safety inspectors within the Esso Fawley plant, and this led to full-scale production of the original Chalwyn valve in 1972. Completely self-contained, this valve reacts to the airflow in the engine's intake system, giving reliable and consistent operation to positively stop the engine at a predetermined speed setting. Now well accepted in hazardous areas as diverse as the offshore platforms of the Gulf of Mexico, to the LNG plants of Qatar, and the coal mines of Australia, Chalwyn shutdown valves can be found working to protect the environment, the facilities, and their personnel from serious risks of engine runaway. Chalwyn's extensive range of diesel engine safety products now also includes stainless steel exhaust spark arrestors, flameproof alternators, fuel cutoff valves, and engine safety control systems. Chalwyn also offer a wide choice of butterfly-style intake shutdown valves to suit a variety of installations where manual, electrical, pneumatic, or combinations of features are required. Chalwyn automatic valves give a major safety upgrade for all types of diesel engines and suit a wide range of engine powers and pipe diameters. For more details, please contact your local distributor. They'll be pleased to help you upgrade your equipment to make your hazardous areas even safer.